Spoštovane gospe, spoštovani gospodje, prav lepo pozdravljeni. Zbrali smo se na športnem letališču v Prilozjah pri Metliki, kjer bomo danes priča spominskemu skoku ob 90. obletnici rojstva Hane Seneš. V noči 13. marca 1944 je v okviru zavezniških enot iz oporišča v italijanskem Bariju poletela proti slovenskemu ozemlju ekipa britanskih padalcev, ki jo je vodil kapetan Robert Eden. V njej so bili tudi judovski padalci iz Palestine, Hana Seneš, Jona Rozen, Aba Berdičev in Ruven Dafni. Za njihovo nalogo je vedel Josip Broz Tito, ki je tudi odobril misijo skozi jugoslovansko ozemlje, cilj pa je bil prebiti se na Madžarsko in v Romunijo. Bakle so označevale cilj in z višine 300 metrov so skočili na mehak sneg metliške občine. Pričakali so jih partizani, ki so jih v nekaj urah hoje pospremili do glavnega štaba Narodno-osvobodilne vojske in partizanskih odredov Slovenije v Semiču. Sprejel jih je komandant Franc Rozmanstane in jim ponudil pomoč pri nadaljni poti. Žal Hani ni uspelo uresničiti svojega poslanstva. Hana, ki bi danes praznovala svoj 90. rojstni dan, je bila zajeta in usmrčena v Budimpešti na isti dan, ko je nehalo biti srce Francetu Rozmanu Stanetu. Oba sta heroja in vzor poguma, vsak v svoji domovini. S svojimi dejanji, tovarištva in pomoči v času, ko sta se borila za svobodo in preživetje, sta povezala oba naroda.
They had a trial, a show trial. They convicted her. They actually asked her to ask for mercy. If she would have asked for mercy from the court, they might not have executed her. She refused. She said, I don't want mercy from these people. I did what I had to do, and they executed her. And because of this, when Israel became Israel, especially in 1948, this is 4 years after execution, she became a national heroine because of the lady. And in a school in Israel, every child knows about Hana Seneš. She's a mythological hero like Joan of Arc would be in Europe historically. And her heroic deeds are remembered. She should be also remembered for the poetry and the music like you had performed here by Jan Ersen's sister, Mr. and Mrs. Jan Ers. Not Mrs. Jan Ers, I forget their first name. And this is the 90th birthday of hers if she was alive. And so we figured July 17th, we should do it here where she dropped.
Could you explain us how is the spirit of Hana living nowadays in Hungary and Israel?
I would say in Hungary, not too many people know about her. The 40 years of communism, not too many, just like in Slovenia, which was part of the communist regime, which is a little better than Hungary, but still, it was still goulash communism, it's still communism, dictatorship. People did not study and learn about these things. They were too busy with other stuff. But in Israel, she's remembered the most. Jews in particular in other parts of the world know about this, but most of all they know about it in Israel. Today on the radio, it's already on the radio that this event is happening. One of the parachutists, Dar Nachum, he's in contact with the television station and the radio, and everything's recorded. It's in the front page tomorrow of the newspaper is going to be what happened in Slovenia. So I'm very proud that the Slovenian Defense Department decided to bring 4 paratroopers of Blas Plavin, who I've been in contact with on the telephone. They brought the 4 paratroopers, they brought the airplane. So it's very special that Slovenia, in fact, joined with Israel in this, especially at a time, even right to bring it to modern times, when countries try to legitimize Israel, and the media press and the publicity is not very good in Europe. In America, Americans are much more pro-Israel than they are in Europe. In Europe, people don't know what to believe. Not that many people have visited Israel. Israel's a very modern state. It's a very free state. It's like young people here. Everybody does whatever they want to do, and it's free and it's liberal. It's the only democracy in the Middle East. And when you have programs like this, it brings an education of Israel to the country. And I'm very happy that Roman Lasek of Sport TV offered us his kindness. He paid for the hotels. He paid for a nice, beautiful dinner that day. And his kindness in doing this project. I mean, I could not have done this by myself. So I organized it. A friend of mine, I don't know who he is right now, on your last roll. Kjer and I worked together on this. He's very good on the parachuting part. He parachuted before, he was a pilot, also lived in Israel. But without the help of the mayor or mayoress of Metlike, without you people being here and listening to this, it would not have happened. It's not one person can start, but you need several people. There's a saying, it takes a village. So I end with that, it takes a village.
Maybe just a question.
Sure.
Is there any possibility that this celebration in next year became much bigger and bigger in Slovenia?
I'm very happy and willing, if the interest is here, these people and other people will come to do it again. It's not up to us. I'm very happy to do it every July 17th here. If the Slovenian people and the people of Metlike embrace this, perhaps this will be the beginning. Every July 17th, we can be here.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.